Hi guys, I'm Shiv from Movie Talkies and we are here at JW Marriott for Dear Zindagi event where Alia would be talking to the media about her magical experiences in Singapore and of course her movie Dear Zindagi. So let's just go and watch the event now. Thank you.
Alia, I think I'm meeting you more than my mom. The past 2 weeks we've been just meeting at shows and events.
I think you're following me.
I do follow you on Twitter.
Very bad.
No, but we're competing.
Very
remember, हमारे
bad.
बीच में competition चल रहा है.
नहीं अभी खत्म हो गया है competition.
अच्छा खत्म हो गया. I
तुम
think
जीत चुके हो.
victory. Please note this. ये आपके actually channel के लिए exclusive है. Alia has admitted that I won the competition.
You won.
Well, sir, thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful, wonderful afternoon. Well, Bollywood has a great association with Singapore. And do you think this has helped the tourism sector? Could we have the mics turned on, please?
Check.
The mic turned on, please. Check. Yep.
All right, great. Well, first of all, dear Alia, dear David from Singapore Airlines, General Manager, dear media fraternity, thanks for coming to the Dear Zindagi Movie Association launch event. So I'm very happy that all of you are here. Glenn was asking about Singapore's association. We are very happy. Singapore Tourism Board, Changi Airport Group, Singapore Airlines, all of us were very happy to collaborate with Red Chillies Entertainment, Dharma Productions, and Hope Productions in this fabulous movie about Dear Zindagi. All right, so I'm very happy that we are collaborating on this movie association.
Alia, I've been reading people going crazy on Twitter for the way you've performed in the film. I loved what Sushant had written. उन्होंने लिखा था कि he'd want to work with you, he hopes to work with you soon. So इतना सारा love, इतना सारा praise, and everybody's loving it. How did you feel when were you a little nervous? आप थोड़ी nervous थी?
मैं थोड़ी सी और I think काम हो गई हूँ लाइफ में तो मैं इतनी nervous नहीं थी. I was just more excited to see कि reaction क्या होगा. अभी सिर्फ कुछ घंटे हुए मुझे उठ के तो I'm still trying to gauge कि क्या हो रहा है. I'm soaking all the love in and I'm trying to understand कि मानव को फिल्म बहुत अच्छा लगा तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ उस बारे में. So yeah, I'm really excited, especially for the association with Singapore Tourism. Really great to have you here, sir. I think मेरा रिश्ता सिंगापुर से बहुत अभी गहरा हो गया है क्योंकि not only with Dear Zindagi but also with बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया हमने बहुत time spend किया वहाँ. So I'm really happy for that. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. And thank you for all the love.
I think you're calm because of काम से काम रखती हैं. Sorry. See, I have to compete with you in the film.
नहीं आपने फिल्म देखी है?
आज शाम को जा रहा हूँ.
अच्छा मेरे जोक्स इतने भी खराब नहीं है. तुम मतलब कुछ और लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हो.
मैं गिरा हुए आदमी को कितना और गिर सकता है ना वो जोक्स में specifically. So coming back to you,
Yes.
It's almost been a decade after Bollywood is coming back to Singapore, and that too with a film like this, which is looking fantabulous. What are your views on the same?
No, I'm very happy that Bollywood and Singapore has got a long association. I was just checking. Shami Kapoor, way back in 1960, did a movie called Singapore. Right? And since then, we have been having a lot of movies with Bollywood featuring Singapore in a very positive light. Krish in 2006, De Dana Dan in 2009. And I think one of the best things about Bollywood movies is how they have projected Singapore very, very positively. And that has given a lot of love from Indians towards travel to Singapore. And I'm very happy that Alia's character in the movie, Kyra, right? She's very spirited. I love the tune. The Dear Zindagi movie tune is excellent. And I think one of the main things for us associating with the movie is about her liveliness in the movie. And that's why the theme for life's magical moments come to Singapore. And that's how the association, I hope that more and more Bollywood movies, I'm happy that she's in this Dear Zindagi and very soon Badrinath Ki Dulhania as well. And I met her in Singapore, having a fantastic time in Singapore. And I'm sure she'll be coming back for more and more experiences in Singapore.
Well, sir, thank you so much for giving us your time, your presence. We'd go ahead. We've all seen a few takes on Dear Zindagi, and आज film release हुई है. So let's have a small glimpse of what we're going to experience in the evening when we go watch the film.
मुझे याद भी नहीं है कि मैंने क्या क्या बोला है. फील के रिपीट कर रही हूँ मैं ज्यादा.
वो बाल वाला याद है आपको? 2 बाल.
नहीं.
वो आपका $1 million वाला cat वाला. You have to hear this.
$1 million पता है आपको?
नहीं पता. हाँ.
अरे आपने बोल दिया.
और $1 million बोला ना. वो जोक क्या था आपका?
अभी समझ में आ जाएगा. अमीर बिल्ली को क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ, क्या? नहीं, बिलियनर। अच्छा लगा लोगों को?
बहुत अच्छा था।
अच्छा, एक और Why is A a flower? Kill you. Why is A a flower? A flower क्यों है? क्योंकि B उसके पीछे है।
अच्छा, बी व्हाई इज बी सो कूल ऑलवेज?
I know, क्योंकि वो AC के बीच में है।
एक लड़की थी जिसका
हो गया।
Last.
अभी सब उठ के चले जाने वाले हैं। सब लोग यहाँ पे इनकी रिस्पेक्ट के लिए खड़े और
हाँ।
बैठे अभी चले जाएंगे।
ठीक है, तो ये था आपका टेक 2 जिंदगी का, जहां पर हमने देखा कि बहुत सारा इंटरेक्शन चल रहा है, बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग मोमेंट्स हमें देखने मिल रहे हैं इन टेक्स में। द क्वेश्चन इज, हाउ वाज इट वर्किंग विद द बादशाह ऑफ बॉलीवुड? कैसा था वो एक्सपीरियंस व्हेन यू वर्किंग विद शाहरुख खान?
It was, I mean, magical experience, I would say. Magical moments in Singapore. It was a magical moment working with him in Dear Zindagi. और हाँ, I think मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा है जो मैं शेयर नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि वो सब मेरे लिए बाकी लोगों को पता चल जाएगा। तो मैं वो बोलूँगी नहीं, but it was a beautiful experience. I'm really missing him today. अगर वो साथ होते यहाँ, then it would be really nice. We spent so much time together over the past 1 week. So yeah, Shahrukh, I'm really missing you.
That is very sweet. So you know what I always feel is that वो जब भी आते हैं, he lights up the place. There's some power, there's something amazing about him. But they also say this about you. Suddenly you know.
क्योंकि मैं यहाँ खड़ी हूँ, then you have to say that,
I
ना?
never say this about you. I even without the mic I talk to you like this only.
Okay. झूठ
झूठ what?
चेहरे पे साफ दिखाई दे रहा है।
हाँ, तो अभी sweat दिखाई दे रहा है. Sorry, that's a bad one. But well, let's go ahead. You know, when you're working with Shah Rukh Khan, you're working with somebody as full of life with you. Shah Rukh Khan is witty, who's intelligent. बहुत सारे behind the scenes होते होंगे ना मूवी के शूट के दौरान. ऐसी कुछ चीजें होती होंगी जो एक्चुअली हमें देखने मिलनी चाहिए मेरे हिसाब से. तो ऐसा कुछ हुआ था behind the scenes?
बहुत कुछ हुआ था, but I feel पहले लोगों को फिल्म देखना चाहिए और फिर जाके मेकिंग देखना चाहिए कि उस सीन में क्या हुआ था, इस सीन में क्या हुआ था।
पर एक छोटा सा हम behind the scene देख लें क्या हुआ? छोटा सा चलेगा? Should we go ahead?
I mean, permission तो।
So I think it's fabulous. I mean, looking at all the pictures, the visuals, Singapore is going to be one experience for an individual to go and have a great time, I believe. Your views are the same, sir?
So, I mean, first and foremost, Singapore is fabulous for many reasons. And one of the main attraction for Singapore today among the Indian travelers is the family travel. But I think with the Dear Zindagi movie and Badrinath that's coming out, I think people are going to discover other aspects about Singapore, right? The hidden corners, the interesting dining scene, the nightlife. So I think today, let the event be about Alia. All I can say is we are happy with the association. And I'm waiting to see Kyra in action tonight at the Singapore Airlines event. We are going to see the movie together tonight. I wish the movie fantastic success. And for all people who are looking into this and looking at the movie, please do come to Singapore for your life's magical moments. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Well, Alia, you know, you have a very tight schedule. जब आप शूट करते हैं, जब आप अब्रॉड जाते हैं शूटिंग्स के लिए, जब यहाँ पर भी रहते हैं, आप लोग बहुत बिजी रहते हैं. तो amidst all of that, आपको पार्टी वार्टी करने का टाइम मिला? आप सिंगापुर में पार्टी वार्टी किया आपने थोड़ा?
सिंगापुर में एक्चुअली मेरा एक फेवरेट स्ट्रीट है, क्लाकी क्वे, द क्लाकी स्ट्रीट. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स और पार्टी करने के लिए क्लब्स बहुत जगह है. एक्चुअली हमने एक क्लब में शूट किया था ऑल्सो फॉर द फिल्म कॉल एफ बार. ये बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, नॉट डियर जिंदगी में इतना टाइम नहीं मिला था, बट 1 डे के लिए वी वेंट एंड एवरीबडी वेंट टू दिस. हम एक मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट में गए थे, मुझे नाम याद नहीं है, पर मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट में जाके हमने बॉलीवुड गाने बजाए और बॉलीवुड गाने पे डांस किया. तो वी लिटरली टुक बॉलीवुड टू अ मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट इन सिंगापुर. दैट वाज अ लॉट ऑफ फन.
Interesting. And any closing words to all your fans about your experience? जो आप बोलना चाहेंगे अपने सारे fans के लिए about Singapore, about how you enjoyed the place and about your
मैं
shooting
genuinely
experience.
कहना चाहूँगी, नॉट क्योंकि हम सिर्फ यहाँ इवेंट के लिए आए हैं. जेन्यूनली जहाँ हम शूट कर रहे थे, देखिए जब वेदर आपका साथ नहीं देता है, देन यू ऑलवेज नीड द कोऑपरेशन ऑफ द पीपल and the team. And this, of course, we had our team, but we really needed a support. अब जब आप बाहर गांव जाते हो, आप किसी और के देश में जाते हो, आपको उनका सपोर्ट बहुत चाहिए होता है. तो डियर जिंदगी के टाइम पे यही हुआ था. बहुत बारिश हो गई थी and we had a lot of work to finish, but the Singapore team was so cooperative और हमें permissions दिया था और जो भी चाहिए था हमको वो मिला. So it is a pleasure shooting over there. बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया के भी we shot there for 20 days और कभी भी ऐसा feeling नहीं हुआ कि we're not in our own country. So we felt very at home, sir. So thank you for that. Thank you for all the beautiful locations and thank you for this association.
So I've heard you're very generous, sir. I've heard you're giving away tickets and all of that. No, I'm serious. Ah, lovely, lovely, lovely. So I'll be the first one to participate. Do not worry about that. Well, I think so it's time to now unveil the Dear Zindagi Magical Moments in Singapore featuring you. So could we please have the AV on?
So yeah guys, that was all from the event. I hope you guys have liked the video. Do share our video and comment on the video below. Do subscribe to our channel Movie Talkies for more Bollywood updates. Thank you.